What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around in a 1984 1500 truck. We were in the middle of a test drive and I came over here to this parking lot because it was nice and quiet. I'm going to point out any kind of chips, scratches, flaws, dents, anything you might want to know about before you drive down here to my lot. Has a believed to be 350 under the hood. It's a good, strong running motor. Definitely check out the test drive video. All you have to type in is the year, model, and Maple Motors, and you can find any of our cars here on YouTube. You can get finance through our website. You can also get this truck shipped all over the US. So definitely go to maplemotors.com. There's about 100 detailed pictures available of every car on the lot. And last but not least, hit the subscribe button. I post videos almost every day. Always got something new rolling through. We'll start up here in the front. Looking down the side of the truck, it looks nice and straight. Looking to the front bumper, it's not brand new, but it does have a few little scars and scratches. Here on the side, it's got a little blemish. The grille looks great on this truck. Nice and shiny. And down this side, it looks straight as well. I love the paint job. I love this color. It's like a little spot in the paint there. It's real small. It may not pop up on the camera. Like I said, I'm gonna try to find everything for you. That way you know the truck. Some light scratches going down in the middle of the door can be buffed out. They're not bad at all. Same with right here. Those might not be popping up in the camera. I'll be sure to let you know about them. They're real light. Some chips on the edges of the door. Nothing major. Bottom of the door on this one. Bottom of the cab looks really good. I'm not seeing any rust or chips or bubbles. Some more light scratches kind of going left and right here. Almost looks like wet sand marks. It's got some tint on the back window. I got a magnet tag up here. It's not hurting anything. It's got a rubberized cover on it. The bed looks awesome in this truck. There's some chips popping up right here, but for the most part, look at that. It's nice and clean. Aftermarket tail lights in the back. Those aren't my favorite, but they're already in the truck, so. That tires could be in better shape. A little thin on tread there. American racing wheels. Do have disc brakes in the front. And the front tread looks awesome. They're almost new. This piece is definitely new. That looks good on there. I'm really liking this truck. Picked up some dirt on the road there. That's not chips. Very light dents up here. You can see them. Some minor stuff. Bottoms of the doors look like they're in great shape. There is a touch-up mark right here, probably had a chip. And they didn't get the right color of blue, apparently. As pretty as this truck is. All right, we've made it around here. Getting ready to check out the interior. We'll go ahead and start this motor up. Aluminum radiator, power steering, looks like AC pump. Couldn't get the AC to kick on though. I don't know if it needs to be recharged, hooked up, or what the problem is, but from the looks of it, it looks like it would have worked. Under the hood's nice and clean. The interior in this thing looks great. The seat's not all wore out, new seat belts. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works? That's something we do on this channel. I do like the gauges. They did a good job of that, keeping them all lined up nice. Door panel looks good. Check up on this underside. Weather stripping's been replaced. They didn't glue it on properly, but it's been replaced. Get you a little glue and put that back up on there like that, and you won't have any issues with it coming off. Let's reach in here and see if it'll start from the outside. Look at that there. Truck's got a great sound too. Temperature's a little over 180. Just been sitting in the parking lot. Oil pressure come up about 20. We was in the middle of a test drive, so can't stand behind those miles in the 13,000 is what it's saying. RPM's coming up. Gas gauge does not work, and I don't think the speedometer works either on this one. I do have the face of the radio in the office. Like I said, the AC wouldn't cut on, but the blower motor is working. Windshield wipers do work, and you can stop them wherever you want. Did y'all do the horn bet? Let's go. Does not work on this one. Hood shuts down very easy. I mean, you could just drop it down. Does have a lock on the inside. Always check, make sure it's locked good. I've had them come up on me before in numerous vehicles, so these older vehicles, make sure it's down. I'm getting ready to give y'all some undercarriage shots, and we'll get out of here before this rain shows up. Go ahead, start up here in the front. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. We're gonna get back to the test drive video. You can click on it the last 30 seconds of this video, or just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You can find any of our cars by doing that. For example, this is 1984 GMC, and then you would type Maple Motors. You find 2 videos. One's a test drive, one's a walk around. Also, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. We get about 40 cars a month through the lot, so appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one, guys.